uh, the variants of Turing machines and model of linear bounded automata, the chapter module 5 is going to be session 2, going to be cover the topics related to automata theory and computability. So the milestones are post correspondence problem. After discussing the decidable and undecidable languages and halting problem of the Turing machine. So now you can see that post correspondence problem. See the post correspondence problem, the Turing machine going to be handle the sequence of strings. That strings may consist of the substring matching is a important aspect in this post correspondence problem. The first string and second string, the second string substring contains the identicals, corresponding substring identicals, right? The corresponding substring identicals is a major concept here. So that is the aspects keeping in mind to search a string. That is a post correspondence problem, or PCP you can say. And before that, of course, we will going to be discuss linear bounded automata and variants of the Turing machine. So that is a chapter name of this model 5. So continuation of this, there is a modification of this PCP, that is a modified post correspondence problem. So we can observe this. So model here, so model is going to be important because that we have discussed in the previous session also, the set of sensitive languages accepted by the model, the storage restriction of size but not accessible to the comparison with the Turing machine model. It is also called as a linear bound automata because that length will be restricted by linear function, that is a boundary decided by this considered linear functions. So that will be developed relation between the linear bound automata and sensitive languages. It should be noted that study of sensitive language is important from the practical point of view because many compiler languages lie between CS and CFL. So LBA is a NDTM which has a single tape and length is not infinite but bounded by the linear function. So going to be further discussion. So that is going to be discussed here. That is a post correspondence problem. So post correspondence problem. So let me see that there is a input to sequence of strings. As I said that sequence of strings going to be watch here. The corresponding string substring have some identicals. So such identicals we need to be identified and provide the solution. If not identicals not there, and the solution may not be possible. So that's why sometimes it yielded with undesirable results and no outcome also. So the let consider the string 1 consists A, that is a sequence of strings that W1, W2, W3, so on Wn. So the sequence of strings A. Similarly, sequence of strings called V1, V2, V3, Vn, right? So both have length equal, that is n, right? So there is a equal strings will be there. So if the equal strings will be there, then possibility to find on the corresponding substring identicity, corresponding substring identical, right? Substring identical may be possible here. So here there is a post correspondence problem. If there is a sequence ijk, the sequence ijk, so if the sequence ijk, then it going to be produce the subsequence substring correspondence, the corresponding substrings similarity, the similar exactly similar substring should be there. So that we need to be find, that is a sequence ijk is a wi, wj, w, j1, j2, so on, then wk, so is equal to vi, vj and so on, that is vk, right? So vk, so that will be going to be there. So let's consider the example string consists of w1 w2 w3, right? So that is a string. So w here, so the w1 string is on behalf of the sequence A, that is a 1 0 0, w2 is a 1 1, w3 is a 1 1, right? A triple 1, right? So similarly you can consider the sequence B consists of the strings v1 v2 v3, so that is a 001 and triple 1 and double 1. So you can observe these two strings, those length is altogether separately a length and b length is equal. So the strings A have length w1 is 2, w2 is 2, w1 is 3, 2 is 2 and 3 is 3, and v1 is 3, v2 is 3 and v3 is 2, and altogether this total length of A is 8, total length of B is 8. So both are same length. So that is a important observation of this going to be provide a solution. So the solution may possible to generate or not by observing the glimpse of this length, total length of sequence A and B. There itself we can decide whether it is possible to generate the post correspondence solution. So post correspondence solution is a substring similarity, corresponding substring similarity, that is a corresponding substrings identical, right? So let we see the PC solution, that is a sequence 2 and 3, right? So frequency sequence 2 1 3 you can consider. So sequence 2 1 3, what is w2 and w1 and w3. Similarly v2 v1 v3, in that sequence we can say that. So collect the samples that is again given, and we may obtain able to get in, that is w2 w1 w3 is equal to w2 v1 v2 v3. So that is a what is called w2 is a 1, w2 is a double 1, w1 is a 1 double 0, and w3 is a triple 1. Similarly v2 is a triple 1, v2 is a triple 1, and v1 is a 001 and v3 is a 1 1. So both length are same. So we can at the sequence 2 1 3, first condition is both the length is same and the corresponding solvable sequence, that is obtainable solution, is a 2 1 3. So you can consider 1 3 2 or the 2 3 2 2 3 1, and no other sequence like other than 2 1 3. It is not possible to able to generate a string that is called the equivalence of w is equal to v, right? W is equal to v, so that may not possible. So that w is equal to v is possible only 2 1 3 2 1 3 or 3 1 2 3 1 2. The reverse also may be possible. So I hope it is clear from this concept. So we are able to tell about this sequence. So that is a corresponding substring similarity will be there. Corresponding substring similarity we can possible to obtain with help of the sequence 2 1 3, where sequence A and B are able to generate the sequence that is. So that is a post correspondence solution. So post correspondence solution is 2 1 3, not other than 2 1 3. So let you consider the second example. Second example, that sequence A is a w1 w2 w3. So 1 is 00, 2 is 001 and 3 is 1 triple 0. So A sequence is clear. So B sequence we have v1 v2 v3. So that is 0 11 0 11, right? So here observe the sequence A and B comparatively in the problem 1, previous example. So there the length was equal. Now the length is not equal here. So consider, for example, the length of the A is how much, that is 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that is a 9. The sequence length A is 9. What about the sequence length B? That is 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. So that first string is 9 and second string is 6. So second string is shorter than the A, right? Shorter than the A. So there is no solution. So there is no solution because of the length is different for the sequence. So substring identical similarity, substring similarity finding is a difficult here, right? Because the total length of the strings from B is smaller than the total length of strings from A. So the strength B is a shorter, so A is a bigger one, right? So here is a bigger one. So here consider the one more problem. Does the post correspondence problem with the two list, does the PCP exist here? PCP exist here. Let me see. The X is equal to B comma BA BQ comma BA, right? That is a three sequence are there in the X. Similarly, three sequence are there in a V, BQ, BA, A, right? Have a solution. Is it yielding a solution, right? So you can observe this strings here, X and V, right? X and V. So you have a different strings that different length. We have to find whether or not there exists a solution. A sequence of substring X, here we can observe that is, so the X is that the string made by sequence, and the X strings made by the sequence of corresponding substring Y, that is a V, we can Y or V is replacing. So we can say Y, this become Y, instead of V we can call it Y, this is, so Y taken, substring of Y are identical. So corresponding, what are the corresponding sequence of substrings are identical, so that we note, we see that the required sequence is given by I1 is equal to 2, I1 is equal to 2, I2 is equal to 1, I3 is equal to 1, I4 is equal to 3, right? So the sequence is 2 1 1 3. So I1, I2, I3, I4 is a 2 1 1 3. In this sequence if you go, and it may be possible to get that is, so that the sequence 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3 and M is equal to 4, the corresponding strings are, so x2 x1 x1 x3, x2 x1 x3, right? So that is equal to y2 y1 y1 y3, right? So y2 y1 y3. So we have x string and y string. X string we have b ba bq comma ba. Similarly y string we have, right? So let we establish this, and we can lay down this sequence over this x and y according to sequence 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3, right? So four sequence are there. So x2 of 2 is what? x2 of x2 x of 2, x of 2 is a BABQ, right? X of 2 is a BAQ. X of 1 is what? B. X of 1 is what? B, right? So similarly B, and y2 of y of 2. So this is a y of 2, no? X of 2 we can take, and then similarly y of 2 we can say, take that is. So y of 2 is a BA. So there is a corresponding substring identicals are there. Corresponding substring identicals are there. Here also BA is there, here also BA is there. So that's why 2 is a best for X and Y. So BA, BQ and BA. So BA is a substring of the first term string, corresponding substring will be there. So Y2. So next we can go for X1 and Y1. What is a X1? X1 is a B, right? X of 1 is a B. What is the Y of 1? Y of 1 is a BQ, right? So Y of 1 is a BQ. So there is a corresponding substring will be there. So there are 3 B's are there. Here 1 B are there. The corresponding substring identicals are there. So similarly X of 1. X of 1 is B. Y of 1 is BQ. So coming to X of 3. X of 3 is what? BA. What about Y of 3 is A, right? X of 3 is a BA, Y of 3 is a A. So A is a substring of the first string, identical corresponding identical substring, identicals are similarities are there. So this will be very holds good for the sequence 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3. So none other than 2 comma 1 comma 3 is not possible to generate the corresponding uh, post corresponding solution, right? So from this example, so we have clearly understood about the matching of the substring, right? Substring problem, it sometime it may not possible to generate, but sometime is possible. So sometime is possible, and for what sequence? The sequence is 2 comma 1 comma 3 in this example. Similarly, can thus the PCP has a solution. So this PCP, that post correspondence problem, able to yield a solution for the sequence 2 comma 1 comma 1 comma 3. So you can cross check, other than this may not able to generate the corresponding sequence, right? So let me see one more problem. Prove that post correspondence problem with the two list. Similarly, earlier x is equal to 0 1 comma 1 comma 1, y is equal to 0 1 power 2 comma 1 0 comma 1 power 1. 1 power 1 is 1, 0 1 power 2 is a 0 1 1, has no solution. So he is saying it not possible to yield a solution for this kind of example through this post correspondence concepts. For each substring xi belongs to x, xi belongs to x, yi belongs to y. We have xi is less than or equal to yi for all I, right? So xi should be less than or equal to yi for all I, right? So hence the string generated by the sequence of substring x is shorter than the string generated by the sequence of the corresponding substring y. So there is the length is mismatching, length is not equal. There is a shorter string generated by the sequence of corresponding substring y, right? So string x have a less length and y is have more. So therefore PCP has no solution. So from this we can obtain, that is, so length of the x we can obtain, this is 1, this altogether 4, no, 4. What about this this one? This is 2 3 3 4 5 6. 6 length is y is 6 length and x is length 4. So from length itself we can say xi magnitude of xi is less than the magnitude of y length of that string. Sorry. And corresponding related by the sequence is shorter than that is. So therefore no solution. Note, if the first substring used in PCP is always x1 and y1, then the PCP is known as modified post correspondence problem. So there is a modification to perform over this problem. So that is a modified post correspondence problem we are going to be observe, that is. So that can be here, can observe, that is, see, we have, that is a prove that PCP is a solvable if magnitude of sigma is equal to 1. Magnitude of sigma is equal to, so summation of all sequences, for I is equal to 1 to n. So that n is equal to 1. Prove that PCP is solvable if the summation of n is summation of series is equal to 1. So in that case, let consider let L is equal to A. Then x is equal to x1 x2 xn, y is equal to y1 y2 yn. So x have n length, y have n length, right? X have n length and y have n length, where xi is equal to a power ki, that is a k ith k. So that is ith k subscript I, that is, so I could not able to do, that is a subscript k k subscript I is equal to 1 to n, sorry, 1 comma 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma. yj is equal to lj. So where j is equal to 1 to n. So I is equal to 1 to n and j is equal to 1 to n. So xi is equal to a ki, yj is equal to a lj, right? So then x up 1 whole power I1, x2 whole power I2, x3 whole power I3, xn power whole power In is equal to y1 is y1 bracket whole power k1, y2 whole power k2 dash dash so on yn whole power kn. So both are equal to a power summation of ki and li. So k is a subscript for x, y is a l is a subscript for y. So summation of ki and li, that is a power, both are equal. Hence the PCP solvable when summation of sigma is equal to 1. Sorry, summation magnitude of summation of series or magnitude of sigma is equal to 1. So that will be solvable. Similarly, the one more problem, prove that PCP with 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 has no solution. Can consider 3 sequence are there, each have 2, 2, each have 2, 2, that is, so 3 are there, has saying has no solution. So x1 is equal to 0, 1, x1 this is x1 is equal to 0, 1, x2 is equal to 1, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, right? So x1 is 0, 1, x2 is equal to 1 and x3 is equal to 1. What about y? y1 is a second pair, that is 0, 1, 1, y2 is 1, 0 and y3 is a 1, 1, right? So we split it into x comma y. This is x comma y, x comma y, x comma y, right? So we have x is 3 and y is 3 length. Let's proceed. x1 is equal to 0, 1 when y1 is equal to 0, 1, x2 is equal to 1 and y2 is equal to what? 1, 0, right? So x3 is equal to 1 and y3 is equal to 1, that we rewrote here. So hence x, total length of x is lesser than the y. You can observe that. What is the total length of x? 2 plus 3, that is 5, 5 plus 1, what is 6. Total length of x is 6. So what about length of the y? 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2 is a 5, right? So the y have shorter, y have length 5, x have length 6, right? So you can observe that is x2 and 5, this is 5, this is 6, y is 1, 0, this is correct, that is hence xi is it is wrong, xi is greater than yi, xi is greater than yi. So you can consider, sorry, so y is what is that? 0, 1, 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 2 7, y is 7, x is 2, 3 and this is 4, correct. So x is 4, y is 7, x is I will rewrite once again, x is 4, y is 7. So y is a bigger one for I is equal to 1, 2, 3. So xi1, xi2, xi3, xim is not equal to yi1, yi2, yim for no choice of the i's. So note, so total length of the x is less than the total length of the y. So x is 4, y is 7. Hence PCP with the given list has no solution. The length is mismatching and sequence also is not possible to arrange. So that hence it is no solution. The problem what we have seen, the pair of x and y values we considered, and according to their length and according to the principles of this post correspondence problem is ended with no solution. So let me see the one more example, or you can see, observe that. So here the post correspondence problem, so that what we can see that PCP is equal to S equal to 0 comma 1 0 1 power 2 0 0 comma 0 comma 3, and second sequence 0 power 2 1 1 0, right? So that is a 3 pairs are there. Is saying that is no solution may be possible to generate from this. No pair has common non-empty initial substring. That is a hint they given. No non has common non-empty initial substrings. So let we split them into x corresponding x. X1 is 0, y1 is 1 0. Correct? X1 is 0, y1 is 1 0. This is x1 and y1. X2 is a 1 1 0. That is a 1 square 0. Y2 is a 3 zeros. 0 power 3. That is 3 0. X3 is a 0 0 1. Y2 is a 1 1 0. Here no pair x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 has common non-empty initial string. So x of i1, x of i2, x of im is not equal to y of i1, y of i2, so on, y of im, for no choice of ij's, right? No choice here. Hence this post correspondence problem with the given list has no solution, is elder with no solution. So let me see one more problem. Does the post correspondence problem with the x is equal to b cube ab square, y is equal to b cube comma ba cube b cube have solution? As x1 is equal to y1, the post correspondence problem with the given list has no solution. So in this case, so let we see that. So the post correspondence problem for this problem, whether it is exist or not, it is not exist. Find at least 3 solutions to the post correspondence problem defined by the dominoes, right? So dominoes can have, that is, so at least 3 sequences are there. So 1 1 0 1 0 1 1, and second 1 1 0 1 0, right? So here you can split. X1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 1 0, x3 is equal to 1 0 1 1. So y1 is equal to what? 1 1 1, 3 ones. Y2 is equal to 0, y3 is equal to 1 0. So this sequence we split it into x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, right? So then x3 x1 x1 x2, that is a 3 1 1 sequence, is equal to y3 y1 y1 y2, that is 3 1 1 sequence. So 3 1 1 sequence in the x and y. X3 is what? X3 is a 1 0. X3 is a x3 is a 1 0 1 1. X3 is a 1 0 1 1. So x1 is what? 1, and again x1 is what? 1. X2 is what? 1 0, right? According to x 1 2 3 is okay. What about y1 1 1 2? Y3 is what? Y3 is a 1 0, and y1 is triple 1, right? So y1 is a triple 1, and second y1 is also triple 1, right? So triple 1. What about y2? Y2 is 0, right? Y2 is 0. So 3 1 1 sequence of x and y will holds good, hence it able to produce a solution, right? So we can see that x3 is 1 0 1 1, x1 is a 1, x1 is a 1, and x2 is a 1 0, right? So y3 is a 1 0, y1 is a 1 1, triple 1, y1 is a triple 1, y2 is a 0 0. So x3 1 1 2, y3 1 1 2 is matching, right? So the string, hence the PCP with the given list has yielded the solution. So repeating the sequence 3 1 1 2, I hope it is not possible other than the sequence 3 1 1 2, right? So those may not able to yield a solution for this kind of problem. We can get more solutions to other than 3112 maybe, but accurate one is a 3112. So modified post correspondence problem. So let we see. A is equal to W1 W2 Wn, B is equal to V1 V2 Vn, similar to the normal post correspondence problem we observed. So MPC, that is a modified post correspondence problem. So 1 comma I comma j comma k. So the normal one is I comma k, j comma k. So here 1 is added. So that is W1 Wi Wj Wk, and V1 Vi Vj Vk Vk. So that is going to be observed. And the modified corresponding problem, let we see. Inputs are W1 W2 Wn. Go on, Wn. V is equal to V1 V2 V3 comma Vn, n length, both they have n length. So solution is 1 comma I comma j comma k. W1 Wi Wj Wk is equal to V1 Vi Vj Vk. So preceding both the W and V, both the sequence with the 1, that is a 1. So 1 is attached where that normal is ijk was there. So now 1 ijk in both the sequence. So let consider A is equal to what? W1 W2 3, that is a 1 1 1 1 1 0 0, right? So you can have B is equal to what? V1 V2 V3, V1 V2 V3. So 1 1 triple 1 double 1 0 0 1, right? So the MPC solution is 132 132 132, that is a 132. So that is a 132 V1 132 is a 1 is what? 1 is double is 1, W is a 1 1, W is a 1 1, 3 is what? 1 0 0 1 0 0. Next 2 is what? 3 ones, right? Maybe in the similarly true in the case of V1 V3 V2, right? V1 V3 V2. So modification, there is 1 is added, so that is ijk. So from this discussion, so I hope it is clear that the concept is especially we observed post correspondence problem, and we have seen some problems after understanding the concept, and there is a modification of that improvisation through the modified post correspondence problem by adding 1. The sequence will be commenced with the 1 always, so ijk will be there. So that also we have seen some problems. So from this we have got the material from Milan Rich Automata Computational Complexity by Pearson Education, and also Misra and Chandrasekhar, that is a Theory of Computer Science by Prentice Hall of India, and also the reference book, that is Hopcroft and Ullman and Motwani, and that is a Introduction to Automata Theory Languages and Computation, and also the Michael Sipser Introduction to the Theory Computation, 3rd edition, Cengage Learning Education Publisher. John C. Martin also introduced to Languages and Theory of Computation, 3rd edition, Tata McGraw, published by this Tata McGraw-Hill, and these are the reference book. And apart from this is also some magazines and papers maybe also able to provide some material, especially at this junction we have taken most of the material from Misra and Chandrasekhar, that is a 3rd edition computer science book. So I hope it is a video lecture help to understand the concept of post correspondence problem as a part of the variants of Turing machine and the linear bounded automata as a model 5 of this automata theory and computability. I hope it is a knowledge informative. Thank you for patient listening to the topic of this post correspondence problem and modification of the post correspondence problem. Thanks to coordinator, moderator and subject expert. Thank you one and all. Thanks.